up, guys? Rusted Nuts and Ratchets Garage here. Just out taking my Supra for a tour. Giving my M-pact clutch a proper break-in procedure. Driving it nicely. Going through all the gears. No dump in the clutch. No hard starts or anything. No massive boosts under on the lower gears. Seems to be working pretty well. I'm very skeptical. I'm hoping that the break-in procedure goes well and that the clutch holds up pretty good. Now with my 2J, with my MK3, I've got a 2J swap with a single turbo and 3-inch exhaust. That's pretty well the gist of it. I'm pushing about 13 PSI of boost right now. My numbers are looking pretty good on my air-fuel ratio meter, whatever. But yeah, so far so good. The clutch drives really nice. Now the fluid that I'm using in my gearbox, I've got the R154 transmission, and the heavyweight gear oil I'm using is Mystic 75W90. It's a semi-synthetic gear oil, but it's shifting butter smooth and very flawless. So I'm also running that in my diff as well with a friction modifier. I believe it's shit. I don't know what brand of slip modifier I have, but basically I made the mix myself as I was filling the rear diff, and it lights up both wheels and it drives really nice. So far with the M-pact clutch, everything's going good. Now the setup I'm running is an M-pact clutch from Rock Auto with an ACT clutch disc from Drift Motion and a stock flywheel from the 2J with the R154 transmission. So if you're interested in knowing anything more about this setup or how it's doing, I'll be more than happy to answer your comments. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and maybe even the notifications if you're interested as well. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you found this little tidbit of information useful, and